Artificial intelligence is about to change 3D modeling and 3D printing forever. This shark was designed completely using AI in less than 5 minutes. But how exactly did I do this? And is this the end of an entire industry? You've probably heard about ChatGPT or used it yourself. And if you haven't, I highly recommend trying it out. OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT, just released some new code for creating 3D models using only text. And while it may not be perfect, it's the best we've ever seen and allows you to go straight from text to 3D printing. But of course you still have to slice the 3D model. I could imagine a future where you could do this. Hey Bamboo, print me a shark. It may sound crazy, but I know it's just a matter of time. But how could you easily use AI to make 3D models from text? All you have to do is copy and paste a bunch of code into Google Colab and download the resulting files, put them into Blender, and now you have your text to 3D model. Okay, now I know what you're probably thinking. That looked extremely difficult. It looks like you need a lot of programming knowledge to make that work. But here's the good news. I have a tutorial on my newly formed tutorial channels that'll teach you exactly how to do this, and it'll make you feel like a genius. So while the AI generated 3D models are far from perfect, it sure does beat the old method of having to manually block out the base shape of a 3D model. So what do you think? Is artificial intelligence going to be a good thing for 3D printing? Or will this all lead us down into a dystopian nightmare?
Computers have taken over. Computers have taken